Hi, this is Rashida.
Hi, it's Darshini.
We are here at the Parco del Castello. And Darshini, can you show us around? It's very
Yes.
beautiful here. And so we will bring you. See you.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao. Here we are at Castello, and this is in Pavia. And so Darshini will be telling us about the Castello. Hi, Darsh.
Hi.
Hi, yes.
So, Rashid,
Yes.
now we are standing at Castello di
Okay.
Visconti.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have any guess when it was built?
I think 100 years ago.
No, I'm asking you the year. Our university came first or the Castello came first?
I believe Castello came first.
You are wrong.
Oh.
Yes.
So
it
the
was built in 1360.
okay.
Yeah, our university started at
8 825.
Yes.
Yeah, okay,
So,
okay.
you can see.
Yeah.
You know who was the king of this castello?
I suppose you are going to tell us.
Yeah,
Hmm.
he is Galizio to Visconti.
Okay.
Okay, actually he was a king of Milan,
Okay.
but still he wanted to build
Hmm.
not it's not the one for the war. He want to build this one for the luxury.
Okay.
So it was only built for the luxury that so that he can enjoy everything.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
That's
you can
good.
Look around, yeah.
Yeah. So we will bring you
So they-
someday to inside maybe when it will be opened.
Yeah, and the main thing on your birthdays,
Hmm.
it is free for you to look around the castle.
Okay. So my birthday has been passed. It was on 5th of January.
Yeah.
And Darshini will be having in August, I believe.
Yes.
And so we can go inside freely to look around.
And some of the places are free of cost for the students,
Hmm.
but not the all.
Okay.
You can just go inside and look. In the ground floor you can look, but other than that you cannot
Okay.
go.
Okay. We have the university card. We will be going around.
So
Yes.
Castello is, it symbolizes what? You have any guesses?
It symbolizes the magnificent
Yeah, and it also symbolizes the
dominance of the powerful Visconti family.
Yes, you are right.
Yeah, I read it, guys. I read it.
Yeah. So
Okay, so I hope we will bring you inside someday and we will show you. Actually, outside of the Castello, there is a park, and right now it's full of it's a cherry blossom, so it's full of not full of flower, but it has multiple flowers.
starts to grow.
Yeah, it has been started to grow, and whenever you see this building, the pigeons are.
Pigeons, parrots. You can
Parrots.
see the parrots over there.
Where is the parrot?
It's there inside.
So maybe they have their houses over there. Yeah, guys. So the buildings like this are very common here in Italy. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can see the two parrots actually. If I can.
No.
Yeah,
they went.
they went. No, they are there. There. Yeah.
They are.
They are there. I hope. I soon will be taking hopefully Galaxy S28, 29, 30 to take good videos.
Yes.
Right now it is Google Pixel, and but yeah, it's pretty good, and so we also ask for your support so that we can keep on working on this. And also here are a few very beautiful places to take pictures. And sometime here on the grass it seems that we should not be walking because there are small little tiny flowers, and you don't want them to be ruined. Yeah. Okay. So this is also the Castello, and and the pigeon is here trying to eat something. Also, there are parrots. See, Darshini, here we can see the parrots right away. Yeah.
See the boat.
Yeah.
Standing.
Uh-huh.
Oh, it's so cute. So The church bell is in.
Yeah, you can hear the church bells. It actually rings after every 1 hour.
Yes.
It actually, in the big churches, it rings after every 1 hour, and yeah, in the small churches maybe twice a day or thrice a day. Yeah.
And tomorrow is a Good Friday.
Tomorrow is a Good Friday.
And Easter is
Yeah.
celebrated here, so it's a very good celebration over here in Pavia. They have so many events.
Yeah, we will be
Yeah.
we'll be going around. We'll be coming back with the more vlogs.
Yes.
And yeah, right now we are just showing you Castello de Pavia Visconti from the outside, and this is one
This
of
is the main entrance.
yeah, one moment. Very, very, very beautiful. When you see from far, it gives you,
You know one more information about this?
yeah, you can tell us.
You know, this Castello is the secondary capital for the Dutch people.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Pavia is considered as their second capital.
Oh, okay, for the Dutch people.
Yes.
So Pavia is actually approximately 30 minutes from a metropolitan city named Milan. So we are quite happy here because it's not too much rushy, not too much messy. And so I believe all the holes in the building are the houses for the pigeons and the parrots. And we can go a little bit ahead. We cannot enter. Yeah. This is the
You can see in English they have.
yeah, yeah. The Visconti Castle of Pavia was built in 1360, as told by Darshani, and the complex consists of castle, the garden, and the remains of the northern wall clear of the castle, and the 3 access
These are
bridges.
the bridges.
Yeah, and what is it?
They have the
Meat? No.
moat and the wall.
And the wall that
Yeah.
contains it, it has a square plant.
with 2 square corner towers.
Hmm.
These are the towers. Corner towers.
So one is this and the other is this. Yeah.
So the buildings are visible brickwork. Yeah.
Yeah,
Obviously you
yeah.
can see it.
And
So protected by a bridge. These are the bridge.
yeah.
It was previously there was water over here. Now
Yeah,
it's
no,
like
no,
full.
yeah.
So that's it. And they have, you know, the reading for the blinds.
Yeah, so very
When
good.
you touch it, you
You
can
you
be
read
able
it.
to understand.
Yeah, so this is the whole map for the Castello Viscontio, and also you might have seen the buildings like this in Pakistan, in Lahore, like Shahi Killa, and also I believe in India in
Red Fort.
is a fort,
Red
Red
Fort,
Fort,
yeah.
and is near. I mean, we know that the when it was the Mughal emperor, so Lahore and New Delhi.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they were side by side. So also we can see such brickwork also there. We'll be going a little bit ahead. Right now we cannot go in, but we'll be going in once we have access, and we'll show you around. Yeah, actually it looks more beautiful from the outside rather than from the when we are coming here.
Yeah.
So I will be reading a poem, Stone and Silence. Beneath these towers, the centuries sleep in shadowed halls where secrets keep. Each weathered brick, each silent wall remembers more than it will tell at all. Built not just strong, but grand and wide, a symbol carved in power and pride, where footsteps fade, but stories stay. Long after voices pass away, the wind now walks where nobles stood, through empty courts and aging wood. Yet still it stands unmoved alone, a kingdom held in silent stone. Thank you very much.
Wow. Bravo, Rashi. Bravo.
The entrance from where we just arrived, and I would like to show you around how we went. This is the Castello, and this is the other side of Castello. This is a beautiful tree, I can zoom up into it. And so there are very old plants, but also the flowers are less, and soon there will be more and more plants. I can spot the 2 dogs, I think. Bye bye, and keep supporting us. Thank you very much. Yeah,
See you.
that's it.